Just come to a Mela, a fruit and flower botanical Mela. Some interesting plants here. There's the lemon tree. Just step forward a bit. Some more lemons here. They're ripe. This, I'm pretty confident in thinking that it's the Jara lebu. Again, you can see from the size of the plant itself, it's not huge. I have one at home that's not much smaller than this, probably around the same height. This is another section of the Mela in Sylhet. We've got some Pomelos growing here. These are pan plants, vines.